Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to crop the image you have added to your note in Easy Notes. Just open the app and go to the note and click on the image you would like to edit. Here you can see this edit function under the image. Click on it and then actually the cropping is the first thing that you can do with it. So you just have to adjust the crop box wherever you would like to, and if you are satisfied, then there is a check mark in the top right corner. Tap it and that's basically it. If you go back you can see that your image has been cropped. Yes. Okay, I hope it will be useful for you and have a nice day.